What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another live stream. This one is going to be a short one. This one's not going to be that long. Yeah, so today I wanted to talk about how to denoise your audio. Let me just first check if the audio is good. Guys, welcome. Okay, the audio is good now. Obviously my desktop was previously on two screens. Right now I'm working off one, so that's why. Let's just reset to saved layout. Not that, I mean, we need to go to edit, not effects. Oh my god, I keep messing around. Anyway, let's just wait. But yeah, man, I do like doing these kinds of video stuff, like, you know, helping out guys, you know, improve their productions out there, you know. So yeah, man, I just enjoy doing it. So I don't know why I feel like I enjoy doing it, but yeah, man. So what is this? Oh, this was the Cobra Squad thingy. I was re-uploading, which I removed them because I did not want any future problems. Anyway. So what I'm going to do is the video I'm going to use today is from this YouTube channel called Stylist, and I've obviously downloaded it, right? And it's this one because when I was playing it, there was a lot of noise, so I can even like play it for you guys so that you can hear. Oh my god, YouTube ads suck. Anyway,
3, 2, 5 and set. 3.
That bzz, that buzzing, that is what we are supposed to get rid of, right? And yeah, man, so I have the video downloaded here somewhere, and I'm going to drag this into my timeline. Don't know why my mouse cursor is acting up. I'm going to change the sequence settings because there was a different footage here. So of course this is your footage, so go check the channel out and it should be okay. So let's get to what is important on today's video. First of all, I'm using Premiere Pro because I assume this is what a lot of people are using, but don't worry, I'm going to jump into Audition and also jump into DaVinci Resolve. So basically, what is denoising? Denoising is mostly, if you look at it like in a technical way, it's getting rid of a particular frequency that you don't like. So the frequency may be high or low. So low is the more bassier sounds, like the low vibrations. High pitches are like, I don't know, some weird noises that are not good, but noise can be in any of those frequencies. Now the reason as to why I'm choosing to explain using frequencies is because, first of all, the very first thing or the very first mistake I've seen a lot of people do is using the denoiser, the inbuilt denoiser in Premiere Pro, and just using it and cranking it up. Okay, the first thing you need to do before you denoise is, first of all, you need to use your EQ, use your equalizer. You need to understand the importance of an equalizer, and an equalizer basically allows you to pick and point like frequencies out of your audio. So let me first confirm. Oh, by the way, I think I should post the link to this Discord server that maybe people can join. Let's see, let me just paste it and pin it. Okay, sorry, I'm using my monitor, my one monitor today. So yeah, okay, so let's go back. Okay, so yeah, an EQ. Okay, so the very first thing is to use an EQ before you go to using a denoiser.
3, 2, 5 and set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good? Play.
Now, before we get into this part where just want to use this opening section. Now, as you can see, there's a clear break there, so I'm just going to cut and use this first section only. This first section only. This is why I stopped using Premiere Pro. It's stuttering a lot.
3, 2, quiet and set. 3.
So obviously you can tell there's that buzzing, which is so annoying. But first of all, we need to look for an equalizer. So just search on the effects page, search for the parametric equalizer. This one, just drag and drop it on your audio, and let's open this window here, and let's see, edit. You should bring this. It should bring up this window.
2,
okay.
1, go.
What's good?
And it's so easy to get rid of this noise, because do you see, this is where that
Play.
Okay, for you to be able to like detect the noise, I don't know if you can isolate the frequency alone, but in the equalizer uses a plugin, a VST plugin. VST plugins work with any software, but let's go back to the beginning and play that again.
3.
So clearly the bass frequency is here. So obviously you need to cut out anything like past this point, past 60,000 below, is not really pleasant to the ears. So that's the very first thing that I like to do. I just like to push do that. Let's just try and make it more pleasing to listen to. And this is I don't, that's why I don't like using this parametric equalizer that comes with Premiere Pro. I don't like it as much. And possibly you can change the way the curvature using this one here, using this icon here. You can also drag and drop, but
2,
I can still hear that it's still really loud. So I'm just going to push this one this way and hear if I'm getting rid of that noise.
Set. 3, 2, 1, go.
And we can take that down.
What's good? Play.
You can hear you're getting rid of some of the noise, but it's really still there, man. It's really still there. I don't really like using this EQ from the default parametric EQ, but you can also use a denoiser, but I really do not encourage you to use that. It's good, but nah, this is a very severe case of This is a very severe case of
3, 2, quiet and set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good?
You can hear that. Okay, the voice is there, but we've gotten rid of a lot of the bass from the voice. I mean, from the audio. And you know what? Let's just get rid of this and let me use the EQ that I would normally use, because this is why now you need to invest in plugins, because of this very reason. As you've seen, I have shortcomings when it comes to using the inbuilt tool. So I'm going to use Pro Q3. This is the equalizer of choice. It's from Fab Filter. A lot of audio guys, if you are good with audio, you should know it, right? So I'm just going to say edit to bring the Pro Q3 interface.
3, 2,
and I can see that frequency is down here. This is why I like Fab Filter stuff. I can just notch this into a small
quiet and set. 3,
and you can hear it. You can even isolate it. You hear? So that's the very first thing we need to take care of. So
what's good? Play.
And now it's a matter of going through the audio, and
3, 2.
I can see there's actually 2 points. You know what? Instead of using our own custom one, we can just use the preset called low cut and cut off.
Quiet and set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good? Play.
3, 2, quiet and set. 3, 2.
Now the reason why I'm not extending this way is if you cut off a lot of the bass frequencies, you start to sound like you're speaking from a phone.
1, go.
What's good?
Okay. Now generally the reason why it sounds like you're speaking from a phone is because phones don't have bass. Like they don't have a lot of the speaker on the phone, the earpiece doesn't have a lot of bass, so it sounds tinny like that.
What's good?
But
Play.
this might be actually this might be actually challenging that I thought.
3, 2, quiet and set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good? Play.
Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to apply another instance of fab filter. Let's go to edit. This time let's do a high cut out the higher frequencies.
3, 2, quiet and set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good? Play.
Listen.
3, 2, quiet and set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good? Play.
And I might have to listen to this audio like properly. I don't think this first section is long enough for me to be able to like get this section properly. Let me first I might have to cut out a majority of this intro. The intro is the one I don't want. Okay, so we can use this. Let's use this other bit. Let's just use this other bit.
So what's up guys, man? Welcome back to.
And of course they're using the music to try and conceal the audio, but it's still there. It's still there. Okay, so let me first redo what I just did in the first video. And and this is why now it's good to make sure to do a sound check on everything before you start filming, because you can only get so far, right? You can only get so far. So let's first start by
So what's up guys, man? Welcome back to another show.
Let's use that. Let's apply another instance of fab filter again. We can do a high cut. Okay, and this audio is really properly damaged, right? This audio is really properly damaged. So edit again, let's do it.
So what's up guys, man? Welcome back to another show.
Now, because I can't hear the buzzing clearly, I might have to go and I might have to create like a pinch there and have to go listening to. Let's widen it a little bit. Actually, we can use a bell flat top. Yeah, this one is better.
So today we are doing pickup
And obviously you can hear
line episode 1 part 1. Achana hizo zingine tumekuwa tukifanya. Hizo zingine zimekuwa by the way tukiwachanua. So here sasa hii series. So here.
And you know, the interesting bit is the most annoying frequencies in like people's voices is normally around
Sasa hii series.
including like mine. Because even on this live stream, I already have an EQ running on the mic. So if I was to let's go to filters, you'll see there's a fab filter EQ. So as you can see, my voice is equalized, like it's working in real time. So you can see that I've gotten rid of the annoying frequencies here, and also gotten rid of a lot of the high end that is not needed. Also gotten rid of the low end that is not really needed. Okay, so this is why I say it's good for you to know how to use an EQ, but that's not really relevant. What's relevant is we fix this audio, and this one might be quite challenging. Let's see.
So what's up, guys, man? Welcome back to another.
I think I found it.
Another show.
It might be here. Oops. Nope. These are just smoothing curves.
Relax using the.
Now.
Relax using the. Yes. Yes. Yeah, okay, relax. Wait. Relax.
Sorry for the chickens.
So what's up, guys?
I know that's the issue, man. I need like a spot where I can hear that buzzing completely. So another tip while recording is record the ambience of the room, because kudinoise kitu ingekuwa rahisi kama mungekuwa mnaongea if you had like a clean plate where it was recording for some time before. That way at least mngeweza kuidentify hiyo buzzing virahisi.
Quiet on set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good? Play.
Quiet on set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good?
I need to find a spot where wase hawaongei sana, lakini sasa baya washa overlay music, so inakuwa becomes difficult to identify. Because I'm really trying to look for a silent spot.
Open my thighs.
Sana ngoma hii.
Hey,
You want to give us some
jaribu kumprep. Uko na mprep.
some eucalyptus.
Na.
Okay, because if you like compare like with and without, so I've turned the EQs off, right? The only bad thing is the problem that I'm experiencing right now and trying to fix this audio is they've already added layered music, so it's kind of difficult for me to pinpoint a place where I can really try and identify the problem.
3, 2,
But you can hear
quiet on set. 3.
it's kind of gone only from using the EQ, and which in this case I would say this audio, your last resort will be your denoiser. But the denoiser in Premiere Pro, do I really trust it that much? So how does a denoiser work? A denoiser simply, let's just say heavy.
3, 2, 1, go.
What's good? Play.
So I don't know if you've noticed there's something wrong like with the way the voices sound. They sound like, like it's teeny voices.
So what's up, guys, man? Welcome back to another show. Relax.
In this case, okay, because kuna music, but in this case, this is what I will say is your last resort. As you can hear, like denoiser imefanya kazi nzuri by the way.
Relax.
As you can hear, imefanya quite a good job, which is I'm surprised because I don't really use them that much. but always start with your EQ. If you don't start with your EQ, you give your denoiser a hard time.
Yes.
But unasikia.
I'm talking.
So what's up guys, manze? Welcome back.
Nah, I know anatumia attack styles. You see, I have that mic. This is the mic I'm using. This mic by this sometimes inakuwa na those weird issues. Possibly check your cable.
So what's up guys, manze? Welcome back to.
But I'm impressed with how good that denoiser worked. But the only problem is now the voice doesn't sound full. Like the voice sounds
To another show. Relax, use them.
So I think the only thing that's hapa unaweza fanya ni kutry like kulea a song below ndio usinini like it try to conceal the tinniness of the voice. So because honestly hii hatuwezi salvage hii venye tunaona. I need to find some royalty free beats hapa naweza tumia tunaweza moja tusikia kama itatry kama itasaidia, but also concealing your when you walikuwa umetry. But sasa walieka the mistake they did here is they put the music before, like walieka music even without trying to fix the audio kwanza. So yeah, because I can tell like hakukuwa na any to reduce audio ya ngoma.
2, 5 and set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good?
So okay, see.
Yes.
So nasikia already music itakudistract na such that uta concentrate. Also another tip yenye naweza sema ni kutafuta, go online and look for ambient noises. It's not that quiet in real life ati unasikia tu sauti pekee. There's always some noises. There's a fan somewhere blowing, there's chicken outside crowing, like there's always some noises. So even if you've denoised in una feel to some maybe umedenoise, this is your last resort. Umedenoise but una feel like sasa your audio imekuwa empty. So the only way to like make the audio feel like realistic is to add your own ambience. So maybe you can go record your own room tone for that room. That is just kuwasha mic bila mse kuongea wachi record, or you can just download some ambient sounds from the internet. But
Yes. Yeah, okay, relax. Wait. Relax a bit. Yeah. Drink a lot of water. Yeah, so today.
But I can't emphasize about like the importance of an EQ when you're denoising. First of all, any audio, regardless of whether ni poa or ni mbaya, you need to use an EQ because sauti yako inakuwa like messed up. And it's the same case in even audition, because I think you can new to me Audition, but I'm assuming if you have access to Premiere Pro, then you have access to Adobe Audition. So you can just select the clip, edit the whole timeline, and you can just go to edit in Audition and say sequence, and your timeline should come to Adobe Audition. But I think I've shown this before, so this is nothing new for you people. So let's see. Can be checking Discord. The time being. Let's wait. But like I said, making sure you shoot properly is always good. If you don't shoot properly and then ujiambia do it in post, utakuwa na mashida mingi. Unless sasa maybe una record in 32-bit recording with an external audio the recorder that has the ability to record 32-bit. Then this also when I say 32-bit is because 32-bit hata ukirecord excess volume unaweza irudisha chini. So there is that.
3, 2, 5 and set.
As you can see, the audio imekuja Audition, no problems. The video is playing. So in Audition, this is what you call your multi-track view, and you can layer your effects in these racks. this racks unaona hapa. So rack number 1, again you can go find your parametric EQ.
2, 1, go.
What's good?
So why you sitting over there? You got nothing to do. Film stylist got something for you. They're gonna get you in the mood with some appetizer. Cocktail on the menu is on fire. Logan and Malik got the show on flick. Film stylist number 1.
And I think I need to turn off that song. That song in minimum. How do you flatten this thing, by the way? Because this is this is why I suspended this parametric EQ that comes with that cut off the end, the nini. But there's presets by there. So see at nini unaweza tu vocal.
One on the list, chilling
unasikia.
out the window when sometimes a Leah. I gotta get
It's what? Mute this.
online and check out the next vlog by Film Stylist. Or I'ma just watch it in the booth. I'm talking.
So what's up guys, man? Welcome back to another show. Relax.
But sasa sijui has those kwani hizo effects, I think those effects zimetransfer over to those effects have transferred over to Audition. So make sure you've not applied any effects before you bring the audio to Audition.
Stylist.
So what's up guys, man? Welcome back to.
But also the only problem is our base imepotea, so this is why, like, make sure we shoot in the correct conditions, otherwise this is what happens. Same case for Premiere Pro. And and also if you want to bring the audio back, if you just say, but ukifanya hii method, you have to actually export the audio and then export the whole audio and bring it back, delete hizi zako, uweke hiyo mpya yenye iko fixed. So if you choose to use this method, but if you ukifanya ile method ya, if you do this method of right clicking and say where is it, audio ilikuwa edit and Audition. Wait, those, yeah, it's this one I'm looking for, but why is it ghosted? That's so strange. Or is it because I have sent this sequence budget one? Maybe that's the problem. That's strange. Okay. Kwani hii menu ifunguke? Hii menu system waliiba kwa DaVinci Resolve. But let's try a different video. Maybe let's try hii video ya voice ya madada. So explicit content, of course. But let's try let's just right click on this. I don't understand why it got ghosted, because that normally is not supposed to be the case. Let's try another clip. Copy of It's Time S1 S what? What's this? Oh, this is the original timeline for It's Time, the short film on my. But as you can see, I had already worked on the audio, so I just rendered out everything. But I don't know why it's ghosted, but you need to say edit clip in Audition. And when Audition opens and you do all your effects and click on Control S, the changes apply back to Premiere Pro. That is, I think plugins are excluded. I'm not sure, but that is the first method that maybe you should try. Let's go to the second method. I mean, let's go to DaVinci Resolve, because not everyone uses Premiere Pro, and see how you can fix your audio. Jesus, multiple timelines because imefunguka. So let's open. So if you were to ask me what are the best audio processing plugins that every filmmaker should have, is I think for Filter Pro Q3, I think it's Pro Q3, or even Pro Q2. That's an equalizer, parametric equalizer, and then there's Pro G. Is it Pro D or Pro G? One of them is a compressor. Also stuff from Isotope, especially Isotope RX. Holy crap, that software is really insanely good when it comes to like if you let it do its own stuff, like if you just drag and drop the audio in and let it process and find the problems, you might be surprised with the results you might get. So let's do what, I'm not using that footage from Film Stylist again. I'm going to use it in RX, but for this one let me use one of my videos from my other channel. Just give some time to load. So if I was to listen, so focusing on the present, obviously I don't have to disclaim that. So obviously you can hear that audio is really good. It's not really, it was already like I shot it in the correct way, the good mic, with a good distance to the mic. Also distance affects how good your audio is, and you can see for DaVinci Resolve, if you want to use their parametric EQ is really good. So if I was to just okay, so you need to come first of all, and I was thinking of something else. You need to come to this audio tab down here, but I think it's been cut off. But here, let me just bring it up again. Here you need to click here. It should bring you to this page, and this is where you apply your effects. Okay, you can choose to drag and drop them by coming to your effects library, and as you can see, you've even been told there's a de-esser, removes the S, there's a chorus, there's an echo, flanger. This is DaVinci Resolve 17. So as you can see, I have my VSTs. These are my audio processing plugins. But this Bruce Free is really good when it comes to audio denoising. But yeah, this is one of them. So again, like I said, just use an EQ. You can use the EQ that comes with Resolve, which is this one here. You can choose to apply it as an effect, drag and drop it here, and then let me just show you. Where is that EQ? Limiter. Equalizer. Wait, do you call it? They call it frequency analyzer? No way. That you're going to hear noises. Stop. Oh man, this is not the EQ. Okay, that's strange. But if you select the clip, actually it's supposed, yeah, it's this one on the, if you're using Resolve 17, if you go to your inspector and click on audio, this is what is supposed to come up. So you need to turn on your EQ like that. It's my dog. And again, if you can listen, if I cut off the lower frequencies. Hey, stop that. Ooh, that dog is squealing.
Ndio inapiga kelele. Tokeni hapa. Idiot dogs. And there's Bella.
And as you can hear, just from the EQ, there's a massive difference. But remember, this audio already has effects. So, yeah, those effects layered on top, they make the audio sound weird. But first of all, this is where you start with, okay? You determine the shape of this curve by these ones, okay? So you can, I think in familiar, you saw me using it in Pro Q something, right? And you can even see it here. I think it's on this one. Yeah, this one's same thing, right? Only that Fab Filter allows you to do it like automatically without like having a lot of stuff to dig around, right? So the black one that you saw in the previous video, but that's not important. They keep disturbing me. They don't want me to record. As you can hear, I'm getting rid of the lower frequencies, which is also, I'll say, if we were to import that film Stylist video, I know I said I'm not going to import it, but let's do it. So lower frequencies, you can even hear that car, that big truck outside. If you want to get rid of wind, you know, those like that big truck outside, just use an EQ. Wait, why doesn't it want to load? No, but I noticed something. So with there's a bug with the resolve timelines. I don't get. Sometimes it just doesn't want to cooperate. So I think I'll have to find an untitled. I think this one. Let's use this audio test one. Wait, what's this? What? Okay, that's strange. I think those are corrupted projects. Why can't I find an untitled? Okay, I found one. Let's see if I'll be able to drag this thing in. Or maybe the format is the problem because it's MP4, so I don't get it. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't want to get in, but okay, that's fine. Doesn't want to get in, it's fine. But yeah, man, I hope like mnaelewa like okay, kitu bedhi imenishangaza. Let's go back to this one. A video, but anyway, that's not important. So yeah, man, let's go back to this one and use just this one as an example. Okay, so the EQ, even you don't even have to be on your audio page. You can even go to the audio here and you'll still see the EQ. And again, how does the, now once maybe we make EQ, how do you use the denoiser? In this case, UI, I would want to use one, but for the sake of examples, I'm just going to go to my effects. I'm going to type denoiser. Now the reason why I'm coming here to the audio tab is to limit the effects. The effects zinatokea hapa nataka ziko tu za audio. Okay, denoiser. So you can leave it on auto speech mode, which is going to do its job on its own. They keep disturbing me. They don't want me to record a video, but anyway, that's not important. So you can hear it's what is important is focusing on the present. It's actually doing a good job, and you can also choose to say manual. Now for manual, you have to give it a specified section. The black, like this one here, where it's supposed to listen to that section and determine the noise like a silent section when you're not talking, and like that.
Black one that you saw in the previous video, but that's not important.
And you can hear it's also bringing that problem of tinniness. You can choose to play with the threshold.
They keep disturbing me. They don't want me to record a video, but anyway, that's not important.
So determining like how much noise is it going to cut off from your audio. So that is how the threshold works, but I'm not going to leave that effect on. So let's go to the inspector, and wait, actually it was deleted. Okay, because normally you will delete it from here. No, effects. No, effects. Yeah, this one. So you can just hit that recycle bin button there, and should go like that. Right, again, if you want to apply your own custom VSTs, just come to plus and say where is filter in EQ, and you can see Pro Q3. Again, there it is. Because it's a VST, the window will always remain the same regardless of the application. So yeah, man. And I was about to talk about like isotope stuff. Let's go to that. Let's go to this part where it's silent, right? And I'm going to load in RX denoise or something, VST, and I'm going to do voice denoise, and you can leave it on adaptive mode.
It's okay, yeah. Idiot dogs.
Yeah, you can hear how.
And this Bella, the black one that
you can hear how good this one does its job without even like affecting so much of your audio. And actually it's on automatic mode, which is adaptive, so it tries to find your voice by itself, right? So you can hear how clean it sounds.
you saw in the previous.
You know, that's what I was saying, like these ones are the more powerful options. Like this is, I would say, if like your audio is messed up, really like point where you need like it's messed up, you can just choose to use RX8 voice denoise, which is going to really like help you a lot in
Video, but that's not important.
fixing those issues. Now, if you want to load your plugins, by the way, which is something I don't think layer, you need to come to, is it window or Fairlight? I'm trying to remember how I loaded my plug. Oh, you need to come to preferences. You need to come to audio plugins, and you need to add the path to the audio plugins. So as you can see, these ones are mine, program files, and it's going to automatically load themselves on to the software. So let's go to RX. Where is it on this RX audio editor, and let's drag that Film Stylist video in. And this is this is actually an audio we were doing an ADR test. Let me listen first of all what it's going to do. So there's one I was saying like earlier in the video, for you to check your cables is, if you don't have like, the cable I use is not, the extension cable I use is not sound treated, so it's bound to generate noise. Now this is when I've worked with audio long enough to appreciate the importance of just buying an expensive good audio recorder, because it's going to save you a crap ton of time fixing all of this stuff. And basically that is what expensive equipment does for you. It like cuts out this job of you having to fix everything in post.
Babe.
So that's not important. That was an ADR. So I'm going to drag and drop this video into another section. So let it decode, and it seems like it's going to take forever. Okay, but it was going to take forever. But let's see. This audio software works weird by this, so you confused at first. Nimeweza kushikilia control, so hii nayo ufai kushikilia.
3.
Holy shit, that is loud. That is loud.
2. Quiet on set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good?
Please.
So what I would normally do is I'll just come to and say repair assistant and say render. No. Actually, shit, no. I'm supposed to say start over because it's restarting to analyze. Let's say dialogue start analysis. So if you have if you can find a way to access RX denoiser, the advanced audio editor suite, you'll save yourself a lot of time trying to fix stuff. So let it do its own repairing and you see what is going to pop up. And of course, make sure when you're editing this audio you have headphones. I cannot emphasize the importance of that. So don't mix using your speakers unless they are studio monitors. Don't mix using them. Let's say render. You can play to listen, so and I normally just say render. So you have like suggested repair options where you can listen to like the outcomes. So in fact, let's do that before we render.
3, 2, quiet on set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good?
Please.
Okay, let's listen.
3, 2, quiet on set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good?
3, 2, quiet on set. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's good?
Please.
I think number two is the best one. Kwanza imetoa hiyo hum. In fact, there's a plugin from RX that is called dehumming. So that buzzing is called humming. So that is what you need to get rid of. So let's just render the whole clip using option B. Tuone ni tutapewa. I think it's taking quite a while. 21 seconds. Or maybe it's because I'm streaming. So it's done. Took quite a minute.
And
Dennis Wuhu. Kuna jina moja
kila
kaka.
mtu hapa.
Mama ya kila mtu hapa.
But it has done a good job, but you can still hear that humming. So this is usually like your last resort. Kakinuka kamenuka. Like just use a software like RX denoiser, and this one will help you like getting rid of some of those issues. So yeah, man, if you like need more information on like sound editing plugins, you can just leave your questions hapo chini, and I'll be sure to see the way I can help you, and maybe if you want to know how to access these plugins. So yeah, man, I'm going to end the live stream there, and yeah, man, peace out. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah.